我叫 Marlon，我喜欢悠悠，我也喜欢这种高饭，请欣赏我的视频，谢谢。
Thingy tofu with Taiwanese kimchi.
But the smell like poo-poo.
No, it's not.
味道很好，
好吃 How is it?
It's good. I think latte.
Ice latte. Because you know, latte in Taiwan it means milk tea. It's not coffee.
Ah, really?
Yeah, but I think this is coffee.
But it's good.
Yeah.
I think there are total 8 different colors.
Yeah.
8 different colors.
I'll try it back home after this trip.
And I'll just throw it out.
Yeah.
Ooh. This stinky
The soup. The one I
Ah.
want to. Oh,
Oh, Baileys.
Oh, nice. The one.
这一家的那个干面还不错，但是他们家最有名的是这个阿婆鱼羹汤。好，阿婆鱼羹汤好，然后这个是他们家那种鱼丸面，彩色鱼丸面，这一家不错。好，对，但是很像阿给，长得很像。
奇怪就有差，它那个麻薯的特别，然后看起来比较。
OK，往呢邊，順順利利，拜拜。往呢邊，往呢邊。So this is my last day here in Taipei, Taiwan. I'm heading to airport. So for 5 days here in Taiwan, I enjoyed a lot. I went to Chopin and Chiffon. Where should I go? I'd like to say thank you, Michelle, Wong, Steven, and the rest of your friends for making my trip here in Taipei wonderful. 谢谢再见. Thank you.